Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we've got something truly exciting for all of you. The legendary Honda Prelude is making its comeback for 2026. After years of absence, Honda is bringing back this iconic sports coupe, and it's not just making a return, it's evolving in a way that will leave enthusiasts and casual drivers alike in awe. From its bold, futuristic design to the performance that's expected under the hood, we've got all the details you need about this revived icon. So grab your coffee and buckle up, because we're about to dive into what makes the 2026 Honda Prelude a true automotive masterpiece. Front exterior design. First off, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2026 Honda Prelude greets you with a front end that's sleek, sporty, and unmistakably Honda. This car doesn't just look good. It's designed for performance from the ground up. The front fascia features a wide, aggressive grille, setting the tone for what's to come. The grille is flanked by slim LED matrix headlights, which not only enhance visibility, but also give the Prelude a futuristic edge that is bound to catch the attention of anyone who sees it. The headlights are designed to be sharp and dynamic, matching the overall aggressive design of the vehicle. Looking at the rest of the front, you'll notice a sharply sculpted hood and prominent air intakes. These design elements aren't just for show, they're crafted to maximize the aerodynamics of the car, allowing it to cut through the air with minimal resistance. The air intakes suggest this car is built for speed and agility, and they're more than just a stylistic choice. Every line, every curve serves a purpose, making the Prelude an agile and efficient machine on the road. It's clear that Honda has married form and function, and it's all about the drive with this car. Rear exterior designs swing around to the back, and the 2026 Prelude continues to impress. A full-width LED tail light bar stretches across the rear, giving the car a clean yet sporty look. The LED tail light design not only serves as a modern touch, but also ensures maximum visibility when braking, making the car as functional as it is stunning. The rear bumper is muscular, housing dual exhaust outlets that scream performance. These outlets hint at the raw power that lies beneath the surface, and the overall design of the rear of the car is meant to project strength and agility. A subtle lip spoiler sits neatly at the back, adding just the right amount of flair without compromising that signature coupe elegance the Prelude is known for. It's a perfect blend of retro homage and modern execution, capturing the spirit of the original while embracing cutting-edge design. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Interior design. Stepping inside the 2026 Honda Prelude is where the magic really happens. Honda has nailed the balance between driver-focused sportiness and upscale comfort. Early prototypes reveal a minimalist, tech-savvy cockpit that looks like something straight out of the future. The cabin features a fully digital instrument cluster, giving the driver a completely new way to interact with the car. The dashboard will likely be sleek and streamlined, with everything you need within easy reach, including a high-mounted infotainment touchscreen. This intuitive system will keep you connected to all your tech, offering a seamless interface for navigation, music, and vehicle settings. It's a driver-centric layout designed to keep you focused on the road while still offering all the modern conveniences you'd expect from a car of this caliber. The seating inside is expected to be just as luxurious as the rest of the car. Sporty seats that offer excellent support during high-performance driving will be matched with upscale materials, providing a refined feel. From the touch of the steering wheel to the high-quality trim, the interior of the Prelude is meant to make you feel like you're in a premium vehicle, regardless of whether you're commuting through the city or tearing up the track. Engine performance. Now let's talk about the performance. This is where the 2026 Prelude really stands apart. While Honda hasn't officially confirmed the exact specs just yet, insiders are predicting something truly spectacular under the hood. The 2026 Prelude is rumored to be powered by a hybrid 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering upwards of 300 horsepower. This hybrid powertrain would allow for both raw performance and efficiency, blending power with eco-conscious driving. Imagine a car that can accelerate with the best of them while still offering impressive fuel economy, a perfect blend of speed and sustainability. The hybrid setup is designed to give you a responsive and agile driving experience, while also being gentle on the environment. The 300-plus horsepower engine means the Prelude won't just be a pretty face, it'll be able to hold its own against some of the best in the business. With the potential for a fast 0 to 60 time and a top speed that rivals some of the more expensive sports cars on the market, the Prelude will definitely not disappoint. Whether you're on a winding mountain road or cruising on the highway, the hybrid turbocharged engine will provide the power and torque necessary for a thrilling drive. Performance enhancements. Honda is expected to offer multiple driving modes for the 2026 Prelude, allowing drivers to tailor the car's performance to their preferences. You could expect modes for comfort, sport, and even a track-focused setting, each providing different throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering feedback. These modes will allow you to get the most out of the Prelude, whether you're simply enjoying a relaxed drive or pushing the car to its limits. Price prediction. Now let's talk about the price, because let's face it, we all want to know how much the 2026 Honda Prelude will cost. While Honda hasn't released an official price tag just yet, experts predict the 2026 Prelude will start somewhere between $38,000 and $42,000. Depending on the trim levels and performance packages you select, the price could climb higher, but one thing is for sure, the Prelude is going to offer an affordable option for anyone who wants a sports coupe that offers performance, style, and value. Honda has always had a reputation for offering a balance of quality and price, and it seems the 2026 Prelude will carry on that tradition. Final thoughts. So there you have it. The 2026 Honda Prelude is shaping up to be an incredible revival of a beloved sports coupe. From its bold exterior design to its cutting-edge interior and hybrid performance powertrain, the Prelude promises to offer something special for car enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Prelude or a newcomer to the model, there's no denying that this car is going to make a splash in the automotive world. With a price that won't break the bank and the performance to back it up, the 2026 Prelude is shaping up to be the perfect combination of affordable performance and luxury. Keep an eye out for more updates as we get closer to the debut of this iconic car. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the 2026 Honda Prelude and other exciting new cars that are coming our way. If you're as excited about the return of the Honda Prelude as we are, be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. Catch you in the next one.